y'all, it's Jay, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. And I literally do have 5 minutes to put on my makeup because I'm about to go to work. So let's see if I can really do my makeup in 5 minutes. I think I can. And it's gonna be like, it's not gonna be like a full-on beat, it's just gonna be like my version of like an everyday beat, something quick to just put on and say that I have on makeup. So we're gonna get into the video, but before we do that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get a notification when I post videos. And if you want to know how I got this hairstyle, this is actually a drawstring ponytail. I have a video on that as well. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to set my timer on my watch for 5 minutes. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. So here goes my little watch. I'm gonna set my timer to 5 minutes. And here we go. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows first. I really don't freaking... Y'all, I normally like to use the eyebrow pencil Spike by MAC. I don't even remember what it's called. It's been so long since I had it. But I used to literally use that all the time. And I loved that eyebrow pencil. But that junk used to run out like... after 2 days. Like, I'm over exaggerating, but like 2 weeks. I'll have it for like 2 weeks and it'll be gone. I'm like, damn, like, this shit don't even last. And it costs like $18. And I was like, I'm not about to keep spending $20 every 2 weeks on this eyebrow thing and it don't even freaking last. Like, it was a bomb though, but it didn't last at all. So if you guys know like any replicas of it that's cheaper, I know NYX has like a good one or whatever, but it's still like $14. So I'm just like, no, boo-boo. Oh my god, I should have got my brushes together before I started this. Lord. So, just a heads up, like for some reason, I'm never on time for anything, so I probably won't even beat this challenge for real. So, if I don't beat this challenge, then I'm just going to turn this into a... Damn, where's my brush? On my eyebrows. Oh my god. So if I don't beat this challenge, y'all, then it's because I couldn't find my freaking eyebrow thing to conceal my eyebrows. What the heck? Seriously? That was like half my time right there. Alrighty. But yeah, let me hurry up now. How much time am I left? Oh my god, you guys, hold on. Bruh, what? My watch just died. Make a long story short, I have 1 minute left. So, basically it takes me 5 minutes to do my eyebrows. It is a whatever. I'll just go ahead and just keep doing makeup, y'all. I don't even know who I thought I was fooling. I cannot do my makeup in no dang on. I cannot do my makeup in no dang on 5 minutes. No, ma'am. You guys, should I do an eyebrow tutorial for thick eyebrows? Because they don't got nothing out there for the thick eyebrow sisters. And there's nothing wrong with thin eyebrow sisters, but I mean, it's easier. I feel like it's easier for y'all to draw on your eyebrows because y'all don't got none. Of course it's easy to draw them on. Like, if we draw on our eyebrows too much, we'll look like a freaking Sasquatch. Y'all, I don't know why this ring light is making my skin look like this. Y'all, my skin does not look like this in real life. For real though. And that's coming from the horse's mouth. My skin does not look like this in real life. Or maybe I'm just having a good skin day. I don't know. But I also feel like when my hair is pulled back, my skin looks better. I don't know, y'all, but I'm ranting. So basically, when I'm about to go to work or when I'm just like trying to throw on some makeup just to say I have on makeup, like I really don't do too much. I really don't even put on foundation. I'm putting on primer right now, but I really don't even put on foundation for real. Like I'll put on powder and concealer and stuff, but I really don't put on foundation. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of foundation. And my favorite foundation to use right now is Black Opal, the stick foundation, because it seems like any other foundation, like drugstore foundation, it turns my freaking skin, not my skin, but my face starts to look green. It has like a green undertone and it pisses me off. I'm like, oh heck no, I look ashy. But yeah, I'm just putting this around my 5 o'clock shadow. Because hey, you know, I'm not in denial about it. You know, it's there. So now I'm just going to take some concealer, put it right here. You guys, it's Friday, y'all. Can't believe I survived the week. Yesterday was really hard. Yesterday was really hard at work. Like it was so hard to be nice to them people. Because, I mean, them people they just be asking the dumbest stuff, bro. Like, they just so dumb. And then what gets on my nerves is that every time I answer the phone, why am I snatching my nose? Oh, I am going to snatch my nose, okay. I'm tripping. But, every time I answer the phone, and I'll be like, hello, this is Sky. How may I help you? They're like, hi, Diane. And I'm like, where in the world did you get Diane from? My name does not sound like Diane. My name is Sky, S-K-Y-E. 4 letters, and it's like people just freaking always think my name is Diane. So I think it's me. It must be the way I pronounce. I must not be able to speak correctly. Because everybody always thinks my name is freaking Diane, and it gets on my nerves. I don't got enough patience to keep it 100. I don't have no patience whatsoever. And it's crazy. This has nothing to do with what I was just talking about, but I like to snatch my face. I mean, snatch my nose now. And it's crazy because I didn't used to like to contour. Like, I did not like to contour before. Because I just felt like it made my face look too strong. But I don't know, like, in recent years, I felt like my nose got bigger. So I like to contour my nose. Because sometimes, like you see how my nose is all cute and stuff from this side. But then when I turn to this side, it looks like a completely different nose. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But yeah, I'm just ranting at this point. I'm just gonna hurry up then. And normally I use 2 different shades of this stuff. This is Sasha Buttercup, but I use another type of setting powder, and it's a little bit darker than this. And I'll mix that together and I'll use that. But for the purpose of today's video, or the purpose of me getting to work on time, I am going to just use one. For real. Put a little bit right here, because this really snatches your jawbone, whatever you want to call it. And you guys, I was trying to make my video short, but it's just not meant, it just don't be meant to be. I don't know what I was thinking that I could do my makeup in 5 minutes. Like, what a joke. Oh, you guys, I forgot something. You guys are distracting me. Let me put this on my face. So this is a Bare Minerals Bare Pro powder foundation. So this is what I put on my face when I don't want to put on when I don't want to put on like actual foundation. Like, I just put this on. And I love it. I got it from Ulta. As you can see, it's like about to be on. Yeah, shortly. Hopefully when it runs out, I have some coin so I can buy me some more. I doubt it, but you know, it's flanking. Oh, Lord. Okay. So now I can move on to... I'm just going to put a little bit more setting powder on because my face just looks all one color. And I didn't let it bake long enough, but I don't know. I'm just going to put, I meant to put a little bit. You guys, what am I doing? Alright. Well, that'll do it. Now I'll be late for work. Okay, so my eyebrows look kind of thick. Don't know if they'll fit. Well, now I'm going to put on some blush. I'm using this blush kit. I got it from TJ Maxx. It was like $10. I got a whole bunch of Anastasia Beverly Hills from TJ Maxx. I don't even know if it's real or not. I mean, I would hope TJ Maxx wouldn't sell fake makeup, but hey, whatever, it was $10 and it be working, so. I haven't broken out yet. Y'all, if y'all haven't noticed by now, I love blush. Like, I love blush. Now I am going to spray my face because it looks dry. Like, why are they curling up like that? It looks stupid. I don't like them. But they'll do. So, of course, I gotta draw them on. I don't care what nobody say. Lining your lips is a must. I love lining my lips. I love lining my lips. I just think it just makes my lips look bigger. Alrighty, so I'm going to put my clothes on and I'll be back. Alrighty, love, so this is my final look or whatever. I am about to head out the door, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video, even though it was a 5-minute makeup tutorial gone wrong. It was a little bit longer than 5 minutes, but yeah, so go ahead and thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.